Hello and welcome. I'm Annette Reeder from thebiblicalnutritionist.com, and today I'm going to give you the most beneficial ever shopping guide if you are a diabetic or someone in your family is. I'm going to share with you tips on how you can reverse diabetes. And if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and the bell so you get notified every time I post new videos. And these videos are all my way of sharing with you God's recipe for excellent health, which always includes 3 ingredients, helping you be confident in the kitchen, confident with your health, and most importantly, confident in understanding how much the only one true living God loves you personally. Now, let's get started. One tip to reversing diabetes is we must have healthy fats in our diet, and that would include avocados and healthy oils. Tip number 2 for reversing diabetes is getting lots of herbs in our diet. So fresh herbs are definitely the best way, but you can do dried and spices. So here, every time you see these fresh herbs at the grocery store, go ahead and enjoy them in your diet every day, or better yet, grow them in your yard. Number 3 on tips to reverse diabetes is to eat a lot of vegetables. Everyone should be eating a minimum of 4 cups per day of raw vegetables. That's a delicious salad for lunch and dinner. Your body will be so excited. You will not be able to stop smiling because you're going to feel so good. Now, if you truly want to reverse it quicker, then I would encourage you to eat as much as 6 cups minimum per day, and you will start to see those diabetes numbers going down quickly. Number 4 to reverse diabetes is eat wild fish. So flounder is always a safe assumption that is going to be a wild caught fish. It has not been farm raised yet, so we are still good on that. Other fish like salmon, you have to really know for sure from your fishmonger if it's going to be local or not. Number 5 for reversing diabetes would be making your own bone marrow broth. So grab some beef bones or some chicken bones, fish bones, turkey bones, you name it, grab the bones and make your own broth. I've got a video to show you how to do it. When you make your own broth, that marrow becomes a gelatinous soup, and your body knows exactly what to do with it. So grab some bones, but make sure you know the butcher to know how well these animals were raised, because everything gets stored in the marrow as far as the health of that animal. So grab some soup bones, make your own bone marrow broth, and your body will love you. Well, next on reversing diabetes is eggs. Eggs have choline and inositol, and these are nutrients that actually help to balance your insulin levels. They help to improve your hormonal balance, and you become more satisfied. You're not craving those sugars anymore, and your mind is able to function better. The most important tip when you are trying to reverse diabetes is to eat organic. So look at your grocer, make sure their signs are saying organic, and then enjoy those foods just in so many dishes throughout your week. So definitely eat organic. Next on reversing diabetes is olives. So whether you buy the pitted olives or the olives with the Greek feta cheese, or you just buy the green olives, these are perfect for helping you to reverse diabetes. When we eat these foods, specifically olives, as you know, that's part of the 7 foods of the Promised Land. God knew exactly what they needed so that they would have the antioxidant value that they needed in their body to combat whatever's coming along as far as their immune system. It gave them better stamina, and it was very heart healthy. So when we realize diabetes is not a singular problem, it's a multifactorial problem. It involves the heart, it involves your mind, it involves the microbiome. It's all connected. So eating olives is going to help you have the stamina and the perseverance and the immune system to overcome whatever's coming your way. So definitely olives is another perfect food for you to reverse diabetes. Now, I share in my other video about olives that you need to rinse them before eating them so you don't have the high sodium count, and plus you'll be able to enjoy the flavor of the olives even more when you rinse them. So go check out that video that I did about olives. Number 9 on tips to reverse diabetes is fiber. Beans, legumes, vegetables, specifically cruciferous, the fiber content in these foods is really going to stabilize your cravings. It's going to stabilize your insulin. You're going to need less insulin in your dose every day. You're going to be able to actually wean off of the insulin medication and start just really enjoying God's foods, because you will be less diabetic the more you continuing adding fiber. Minimum dose of fiber per day is what normally people get is about 15 grams. I want you to start increasing that to 25 and then to 50 and then to 60 grams per day. You are going to be going so well that you're going to say, okay, Annette, I didn't know there was this much in me to get rid of. Well, there is, and I'm going to help you do it. And number 10 is hydration. We need to drink at least 60 ounces per day of pure, clean water. Make sure you have a good water purifier. Fill your own cup and your own mug to fill in every day, and then let that be your water bottle. Hydration is so important. Your hormones, specifically your insulin, your ghrelin, your leptin, these are all hormones that are created by God so that you can have the effects you need and the health that you need. Yet they need water to work. You need water for satiety. Many times when you're craving a food, you're really just thirsty. Give it a try. Next time you think you're hungry, drink a glass of water and then wait 10 minutes and see if you haven't already forgotten that you were craving that food. Well, thanks for letting me share with you how you too can reverse diabetes with this shopping guide. I gave you a lot of information. I hope you took really good notes, but if you didn't, I put all of the notes down below. Be sure and hit like and subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified every time I post another video. And I'm here to share with you God's recipe for excellent health. And never forget, God loves you with an amazing love. From the moment of conception, He has a purpose for your life, and He wants to let you know that He's waiting to have a relationship with you if you don't already. Thanks for watching.